welcome to my new series of RPG Maker VX. You may have noticed my cousin has been doing some tutorials of this on how to do it, but he actually told me the other day that he really doesn't like the way that he's done it, and that he thinks it's okay, but he wants me to do a better job of it. So I'm just gonna create a new project. I'm gonna call this tutorial. The game title, shit, I spelled that wrong. Fuck it, we'll just do Project 32, since I've got 31 others. The game title, we'll just call it Mercia. Sorry if this is going against copyrights, but at the end of the day, I'm not releasing this game. It is just for educational purposes only. So just click OK, and as you can see, our little person here is in the middle of nowhere, in the water. Actually, just zoom out here. He's there. We want to genuinely fill this map, so we'll go ahead and get started. Just grab that, just grab and do that, and that is the map, basically. Only we're gonna make it look a bit better. We're gonna just get the circle tool, just gonna create some lakes and that. Just gonna cover this majority of the map. Yeah. Just gonna cover that bit there. Make it look a bit mappish, if you know what I mean. As I mean, like, you get like little lakes and troughs and rivers and things like that, and basically you just want to make it look as good as possible, really. So there we go. There's a bit of a water scene over there, and let's add some sand in here. Just do that, and then I'm just going to go over this, do that. Just make a quick map. After this few steps in this tutorial of how to make a map, I will show you my original map that I made. Fuck it, undo that. I don't like that. I don't like that either. See, yeah, this has gone terribly wrong. Bear with me for a second. I'm just gonna do that. Right, zoom in a bit. Right, go all the way to the bottom here, just get square through the settings and drag up a bit. Get the pencil tool and just make it look a bit beachy. It doesn't look that beachy, it looks a bit crap. So, yeah. Also, my cousin wanted us to do a series together, really. Don't know how that's really going to work, but I'm sure we can think of something to do. Gonna quickly do this. So yeah, this first episode is literally just making the map for your game. If you're a bit like me, a bit RPG freak, yeah, then this is the sort of game software that you'd like to get. It works really well. I'm working on a game at the moment. It's going perfectly. Just need to figure out how to do some more things, like, because I'm not a pro with this, you see, because I'm used to using XP. But anyway, I'm sure I can figure it out. So anyway, I'm just gonna add some random mountains in the background over here. Make it look a bit more mappy. So yeah, get a bit of this in. Do a bit of that. Like, do a bit of that. I don't know, let's make a mini patch of jungle over here. I mean, the circle tool is good for randomness, but I mean, it's whatever suits you really. I myself like using bits of it. So there we have a little desert-y jungle type terrain, and then up here we've got gonna have a bit of a swampy over here. Let's have a bit of a swamp. Let's have a bit of a swamp over here. See, I'm all about terrains really. It depends on what sort of RPG game you're doing. If it's like fantasy RPG, you've got to think about the sort of terrain that you want. I'm just going for a few different terrains as I like different things to be done. Quickly do this. And there we have like a mini swampy island, like that you can like sort of get off there. Yeah. So yeah. Here we have the thing. Well, when I say the thing, I mean here we have our terrain. Over here, I'm just gonna build like a mini like sort of island like that. We'll call this Snowtown. There we go. Make it a bit sequential. There we go. Nice sort of a sequence. Anyway, we just want to add a couple of ice mountains over here. Make it look a bit deserted in a way. Like that. Then we want to have a bit of a forest near the mountains. Make it look a bit, I don't know, make it look a bit wild really. I mean, you don't really want it to be rubbish, do you? So, just have a nice little forest over here, and maybe a little one over here, like that. And maybe one over there. Now that you've got your map ready, that's what my map looks like at the moment. You want to add some features on your grass terrain. So you've got your desert terrain, you've got your ice terrain. Now you've got to work on this terrain. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly select my grass, which is this one. I'm just going to randomly dig into our swampy waters like that. And then what we want to do is we want to just make some trees really. So let's go into this tab. Is it in this tab? Yes it is. So we're just going to get this. Just going to go on square. Going back to ratios in. And then you just want to do that really. Make some forest there. The thing with this is though, you've got to be really random with it, because otherwise it looks really crappy and you don't like it. And if you don't like it, you really end up starting again. And I always say, if you're not going to do it properly, then why stick at it? I mean, with these things, you've got to be semi-professional. So, just finish off doing that there. We've got a little bit of a tree there. And where we start, we don't want to start there. We want to start on the grass. We want to start on the nice grass, and we want to start. Let's see now. No, it's in the old one. And basically we just want a little house, don't we? So we just just going to build a small house. We're going to have that one. See? That, oh no, then. That's going to be our house. So, actually no. That's going to be our house. So yeah, really cool features. We're going to add a snow castle over in Snowland. We're going to add in there. Also in Desert Town, we're going to add, let's see, we'll add this one. We'll add this one. We'll add that over here on the grass there. And then up here, over here, we're going to have a nice green castle. There we go. Now that we've done that, you just want to save the project. Save this project. This will be in my folder, my project folder. And yeah, that is the basic steps of making a map. Thanks for watching, guys. Next video I will be showing you how to add towns and things like that. Okay?